Hi guys, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. And today I'm replacing old wear out grip tape from my 3D printed TPU footpad. I did printed one set like that on my for my Monster Vesc XR. This from my Sunboard, and we really love it. It's nice and cushy. It almost feels like similar to Cush White from Crafting Right. But in some way I like this one slightly better. Probably density because it's different or so. Maybe because it's much cheaper. Instead $100 something pay, you this costs like $5 to print it or so, in materials of course. And pretty much, yeah, I love them. This one, it was a first footpad I printed, and when I was installing this grip tape, I didn't prepare the surface for a grip tape at the time. On my second board, I did the right way, the way I was gonna do it today, and that's why I'm making this video, to show you guys. I mean, if you decided to 3D print it, those footpads, you should prepare it upper surface for grip tape before you apply. Pretty much what I'm saying, it's a nice concave shape. Very mellow. It's not as concave as a original GT footpad. In GT footpad, it's made from hard plastic with sharp corners, caved in, much smaller real estate, plus really sharp plastic edge. It feels like shit. This one, it feels really nice. It caved out, I mean flatted out. Pretty much it gives you a much better and more real estate compared to original XR. Let me put it side by side and with working area, because like I said, this one is taped in. You have probably over a half an inch more real estate than original XR. Like I said, it's nice, it's affordable, especially if you do have a 3D printer. You buy it a spool of TPU for like $20 or so. And from 1 kilo of TPU, you can print it like 4 of them. Pretty much dirt cheap. But you have to prepare it a little bit, at least this one. I didn't design it. I found it file on Google. And the way whatever who designed it, those layers kinda gradually steps down to make that concave. And when you glide it your finger like that, you feel it. It's like a steps. And when you apply it paper grip, even the grip is pretty sticky. It doesn't grab very well because of that shape. What you do, you have to kind of smooth it a little bit with razor blade. And the razor blade, you know, standard laser blade, but with Dreamer or something with sanding capability, you just rounded those little corners. Make sure when you scrub it, the plastic, the corner will not dig it into layer. And actually, you have to spend some time, probably like 15, maybe, yeah, 10-15 minutes or so. And right there, you see, it's already cut in the plastic. I mean, I already did quite good amount, but like I said, I mean, now you can feel it, but it's not as bad as before. And actually, let me keep working a little bit, prepare it a little bit more. That's actually pretty good. Old grip tape, we can toss it. I got that transparent grip tape. Oh, mustache, I like this. I like stickers. I'm a big sucker for stickers. Anyway, grip tape. I got transparent one. I love it. To make a template for this guy, what I do, pretty much I was gonna flip it. Okay, and then pretty much with a pen or pencil, you start making a line, and when you do, lean it out. That case, template is gonna be smaller, slightly smaller than the footpad over here. And to cut it, I'm using old scissors, which I'm not using for cutting a paper, a regular paper or something so thin, because this scissors has a lot of mileage with sandpaper, grip paper. I always using those, and usually for much easy and more comfortable to cut, I'm doing just like that. Because if it's still in a if it's still with a whole roll, then will be much harder to cut it. And actually, to apply it, usually I started from one corner, but before, let's see, yeah, we are in, fit into camera. I just want to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. And pretty much before I start peeling off, I kind of put it on and try to memorize how much gap I have to leave it. Which this is a transparent grip tape. It's not big a deal if it's a millimeter here, millimeter there, because it's transparent. You're not really gonna see really quick it's out of alignment or so. Okay, then we're just gonna lift it a corner tape from a paper. Bend it like that. I know everyone has a different technique. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot. Sorry about that, guys. To clean the surface, make sure there's no grease there, no greasy fingers. Because when I scrub it, I was holding with my hand, and any kind of grease from fingers, then it will not stick very well. Okay, let's dry it. Now it feels like it's gonna be straightforward, but you never know. Pretty much put it same way as before. Align it. Yep, let's make sure we're still on camera. Align it the way you think it will go, and actually looks pretty good. Stick it at corner, then raise it and start peeling. You don't have to peel it everything right away. You can peel it and then start working to stick it the tape. Make sure it fits the way you was planning. And like I said, even if it's a little bit out of alignment, it's no big deal, because the grip tape is transparent. No one is gonna recognize it. Look it, guys. Looks brand new. And one thing I really love it about transparent grip tape, because if we was using a black color or any kind color, you have to mark it where the hole is. Yes, with transparent one you can see it where they are, and with small razor knife it's easy to cut it. Okay, guys, it looks like that. Well, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.